Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at using the COUNTIF function along with the checkbox. And this checkbox is available only in the latest versions of Excel. So here's the scenario. I want to count the total delivered and the pending item. So the pending is right now, I've put a formula here, which is I've used the count. Let me show you that here. So I'm going to use the count and I'm going to count the number of order IDs. So this is my pending orders. Now, this as soon as this gets delivered, for example, if one gets delivered, this should automatically subtract that. So I'm going to say this is minus whatever is the delivered value here. So now you'll see I have 16. And now I want to make this dynamic, which is whenever I have a tick here, I want to get that count of that. So first let us insert the checkbox. To do that, I'm going to select this range of cells because I want the checkbox here. I'm going to go to the insert ribbon and checkbox, and you'll see I have this checkbox. So if you see, if I count click here, nothing is happening because we need to use the COUNTIF formula here. So how do I do the COUNTIF? So is equal to COUNTIF, and then I'm going to select my range, comma. When do I want it to count? When the criteria is true. When it is ticked, it is a true. And close bracket, and I'm done. And now if you see, when I have this ticked, you will see this is 1 and then 2. Just to make it a little more interesting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and I'm going to insert a chart here. What chart? I'm going to insert a donut chart. Again, go to insert, select this chart, and then I'm going to choose donut. Okay, and now you will see as and when this gets updated, you will see it changes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos.